Good morning. In today's class, we will learn job sequencing with deadline. This problem we will solve using greedy method. Consider, for example, there are 5 jobs or tasks, and associated with each job or task there is some profit. But that job has to be completed within the deadline. To solve this problem, assume that there is a machine, and this machine is used to process the jobs, and each job takes 1 unit of time for its completion. 1 unit is nothing but 1 hour. You can assume that there is a typewriter machine, a DTP operator is there, and that machine is able to complete or process the jobs in 1 hour, and that shop is open from 9 to 10, 10 to 11, and 11 to 12. As the maximum deadline is given as 3, we are considering 3 hours here. The slot is 0 to 1, 1 to 2, and 2 to 3. Now we have to choose the jobs in such a way that we earn maximum profit, and we have to satisfy the constraint also, that is deadline is given here. Within that deadline, if the job is completed, we can earn the maximum profit. Suppose if I choose the job J1, the J1 can be allotted, that is the job J1 has a maximum deadline of 2 hours. That is, this can be weighted, this job can be allotted in the time slot 1 to 2. If and because this is earning a maximum profit of 20, I can put it in time slot 1 to 2. J1 is allotted. Now if you consider the job J2, J2 also has a deadline of 2 hours. That is, this job can be waited for 2 hours, and the maximum profit earned is 15 here. J1, that is, it is allotted the time slot of 0 to 1. J2 is allotted. Now the job J3 cannot wait, that is, it has the deadline of 1, it has to be immediately processed, and the profit earned is 10. Hence this job is ruled out, because we have at the time slot 0 to 1 J2 is allotted, that is J1 is allotted, and at the time slot 1 to 2 J2 is allotted. Hence we cannot allot J3 here. Now we are left with job J4 and J5. J4 earns the profit of 3, and J5 earns the profit of 3. J4 has a maximum deadline of 3, and J5 is also having a deadline of 3, and the profit earned is 5 and 1 respectively. So the maximum profit earned is 5 here by J4. Hence the last slot is allotted for J4. The sequence is J2, J1, and J4, and that profit earned will be 40. Or J1, J2, and J4, the profit allotted will the profit earned is 40. This is a job sequence within which this is a job sequence in which the job has to be completed, earning maximum profit. That is, it is a maximization problem, and within the time strain the jobs are completed. Now if we put here a table showing which job is considered, and the time slot assigned, and solution, and the profit earned. If J1 is selected, the J1 is assigned the time slot of 1 to 2. As you can see here, 1 to 2 J1 is allotted, and the solution is, you are including job 1, and the profit earned is 20. Now J2 is also chosen, the time slot is 0 to 1 and 1 to 2 for J1, and the solution considered is J1 and J2, and the profit earned is 20 plus 15. Now J3 cannot be chosen because the time frame is 1, and the time slot is already allotted, hence we cannot choose J3. Next J4 is chosen, and J4 is allotted the time slot of 2 to 3, and the job sequence is J1, J2, and J4. The profit earned is 40. And as all the 3 slots are allotted, J5 cannot be chosen, and it is not in the solution list. You can see here only J1, J2 and J4 are in the list, and the profit earned is 40. And this is the greedy technique for solving the job sequencing with deadline. And it is a greedy technique because it is a maximization problem, as you are choosing the maximum profit here, and at each stage of input you are choosing a feasible solution. Hence this job sequencing with deadline is solved using greedy technique.